In the ancient kingdom of Suryapura, nestled between the mighty mountains and the vast seas, there lived a young man named Arjun. Arjun was known for his humble nature and unwavering spirit, despite the many hardships life has thrown at him. He lived in a modest hut on the outskirts of the kingdom, eking out a living as a woodcutter. Suryapura was a prosperous kingdom, ruled by King Virendra, a just and wise leader. However, the kingdom was plagued by a fearsome dragon that dwelt in the nearby mountains. This dragon, named Dracos, terrorized the kingdom, destroying crops, burning villages, and kidnapping villagers. Despite the king's best efforts, none of the knights and warriors who ventured to slay the dragon ever returned. One day, as Arjun was chopping wood in the forest, he overheard a group of villagers discussing the latest attack. The dragon has taken the king's daughter, Princess Leela. The entire kingdom was in mourning, and the king has announced a reward for anyone who could rescue her and slay the dragon. The reward included half the kingdom and the prince's hand in marriage. Arjun felt a stirring in his heart. Though he was not a knight, he believed that courage and determination could accomplish what strength and weapons could not. That night, he visited the old sage who lived in the village seeking guidance. The sage, a wise old man with a long white beard, listened to Arjun's plan and nodded. Courage comes from within, Arjun. To defeat the dragon, you must confront your deepest fears and believe in your own strength. Remember, the greatest weapon you possess is your mind. Arjun set out the next morning with a simple sword and a shield gifted by the villagers. As he journeyed toward the dragon's lair, he encountered many obstacles. He had to cross raging rivers, climb treacherous cliffs, and navigate dense forests. Each challenge tested his resolve, but Arjun remembered the sage's word and pressed on. When he finally reached the dragon's cave, he found it guarded by fierce creatures. Using his wits, Arjun outmaneuvered them and entered the dark, ominous cave. Inside, the air was thick with smoke, and the ground was littered with the remains of previous challengers. Dracos lay coiled in the center of the cavern, his scales glistening in the dim light. The dragon's eyes glowed like embers as he watched Arjun approach. With a roar that shook the very ground, Dracos lunged at him. Arjun dodged and parried, his heart pounding in his chest. As the battle raged on, Arjun remembered the sage's words. The greatest weapon you possess is your mind. He realized that brute strength alone would not defeat the dragon. He needed to outthink it. Arjun observed Dracos, noticing that the dragon's movements were slower on one side. He deduced that the dragon had a weak spot. Summoning all his courage, Arjun waited for the right moment. When Dracos lunged again, Arjun sidestepped and thrust his sword into the dragon's vulnerable side. Dracos let out a deafening roar and collapsed, writhing in pain. Arjun seized the opportunity and delivered the final blow, slaying the dragon. Exhausted but victorious, he searched the cave and found Princess Leela, unharmed but frightened. With the princess by his side, Arjun returned to Suryapura. The kingdom rejoiced at their return, and King Virendra honored his promise. Arjun was hailed as a hero, not because of his strength, but because of his bravery, determination, and cleverness. Years later, Arjun became a wise and benevolent ruler. He always remembered the sage's words and taught his people that true courage comes from within, and that the greatest battles are won with the mind and heart. This story became a legend, inspiring generations to face their fears and believing in their own inner strength. And so, the tale of Arjun the Brave reminds us that no matter how daunting the challenge, with courage, determination, and wisdom, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness.